Going on YouTube, doing a starter replacement on a Audi S4 D-Badge. This job is a pain in the ass, although we have it going. Here's some of the parts you do have to remove. Engine mount needs replacing as well, alternator. But I want to give a couple tips. I would suggest pulling a supercharger, replacing intake manifold gaskets. This one's going to get an oil change, spark plugs as well, but removing the cowl gives a lot of help for the one starter bolt going through the bell housing of the transmission. Without the cowl removed, usually you have to remove the test pipe, although it looks like we're able to keep it in. Just some helpful tips for starter replacement on Audi S4. Utilizing a 3/8, 3-inch, 3/4, 12-point socket. Used a 3/8 extended ratchet to break it loose, and then there's enough room to use a 3/8 gun to pull the bolt all the way out.